We are back for July's Munchpak. It is July 31st, so we are cutting it kind of late here.
Yes,
So.
and Noah's scoping out the camera, so hopefully he doesn't knock it over. Say hi. Hi, guys. All right, let's get into our Munchpak. Gotta be careful, Noah.
Right.
Come on.
Oh, I'm looking in. I shouldn't be looking in.
That's okay.
All right. So the first thing we got is
Oh, like a card.
who it's made by.
No. Just don't touch, okay? Don't touch.
All right. What do you want first?
Anything. Just reach in and pull one out.
Start off with
Ooh.
sea salt and malt vinegar,
Oh, that sounds good.
real hand cooked
He said.
flavor potato crisps from United Kingdom.
He says, yay!
I'm sure they're gonna be delicious.
He wants one.
Hi, bud.
We should probably do this after he goes to bed, but he's so cute, we want to include it. He's not going to like these, I'll tell you that much right now. But he wants one. Noah wants it. I don't know if he should have a whole chip, though. Ready, everybody?
Yeah, try it. Smell it first.
He always smells his food. Mmm. Those are good.
Yum.
I like it.
Good. Very good.
It's just like salt and vinegar chips.
Yep.
From the U.S.
Yep.
You want to try it? He's not going to like it, but...
Another one?
Sure. One more. They're really good.
I like it.
Me too.
Good stuff. Alright. 1 out of 1. Thumbs up.
Alright.
Alright, next one.
Next one.
And go with this one. Alright, they covered up the name with it. It's a Nestle, I think it says Cocoa Set. Nestle Cocoa Set Sandwich Cookies. Crunchy vanilla cookie with sweet coconut cream. And it's from Colombia.
Colombia.
Interesting. Well, there's 4 cookies in here. So, 1 for now and 1 for later.
Noah might like this.
Looks like peanut butter inside.
Alright. Ready? Go. Is there coconut in there?
Coconut cream.
Mm.
You don't like it, do you?
I don't like coconut.
I don't either.
It's not
bad,
terrible, but I'll finish it, but I don't really like coconut, guys. No, I don't like it at all, actually.
There's really not much flavor to it.
Yeah. Just a
Yeah.
coconut cookie, I guess.
It's just a sandwich cookie. It's like a kind of an Oreo or a... No, the cookie itself is pretty good, but the cream filling definitely tastes like coconut. But not like a really strong
Hey, he ate the
flavor
chip.
either.
Chew it up good, bud. He sees his movie right now and he's starting to eat that salt and vinegar chip.
Alright, here we have 3 more. You want big, you want medium.
Let's go big.
Big, alright. Okay.
Swiss roll.
Well-made Swiss roll, vanilla sponge cake. And it is from Jordan.
Noah might like this.
It's so funny that there's so many things that look like they're just from here.
Be careful, Noah. You want some sponge cake instead? This looks like it could be messy.
It
looks like a huge Fig Newton.
yes, gigantic looking Fig Newton on the inside. It smells like a Fig Newton. Just cut it in half? Or?
Sure. I just want to bite, really.
Right.
Bottoms up.
I'm trying to think before I eat it. says vanilla sponge cake, but it doesn't say what's... Oh, rich cocoa cream.
Okay. Okay. It's a little dry.
Dry, really moist though. It's really moist, but it is pretty dry.
But yeah, it has a hint of chocolate. Not my favorite thing.
I think it's not bad.
So far, salt and vinegar is my favorite. But
yeah. All right. Say A or B.
B. What did you do?
I grabbed my granuts. Cranberry trail mix.
Oh.
Also from Colombia. You're not gonna like this.
I don't like this Munchpak very much.
Salty and sweet mixture of peanuts, corn nuts, cranberries, and almonds.
I'll have a cranberry. No. I'll try it for the sake of trying it. Here, I'm gonna give Noah some. Oh, maybe I shouldn't. Do you think he'll get choked up on it?
Might be alright.
Here, bud. Here, bud. Swiss roll from Colombia. I think he wants salt and vinegar chips.
And the chip.
That one's. Should we give him that one?
Yeah, alright.
Flash forward to CPR.
That one's
scene.
salty,
No.
huh?
Does he like it?
Yeah, I think so.
We need to get him a bag of salt and vinegar chips, guys.
Alright. So
I've never really given him chips before, guys, so I'm really nervous.
She's a little bit more picky of an eater.
I don't know if I could eat this. I do not like nuts at all.
You don't have to eat it if you don't want it. So it looks like almonds, peanuts, corn nuts. I already read it all. There it is.
Where's the cranberry?
A little bit of everything.
I love this cranberry. I don't know if it's cranberry and nuts mixed together, but I'll have it.
I'm having one of everything.
Salty.
I'm not really a big trail mix kind of person.
But you love peanuts.
I love peanuts. But
Oh, those are yours. Good?
Eh.
Do they taste
Wouldn't be
better
my
than
go-to.
Planters?
No, I like Planters better.
Well, Noah can't have those either, so
No.
those are all you.
Well, I wouldn't go pick it out in the store, that's for sure. But I'll eat it now.
Alright. Last one.
Last one, drum roll.
Oh.
Frit. It's from Germany. Frit strawberry chewy candy
Ooh,
strips.
I think I'm gonna like this one.
Soft and chewy strawberry flavored candy with vitamin C. Mmm.
Finally, something I could like.
Oh, it looks like Laffy Taffy.
Oh, wow.
Like Laffy Taffy. Are they individually wrapped? Oh, okay. So I saw that and I thought it was like
White.
vanilla, like white Laffy Taffy with pink swirls in it.
It's pink.
Individually wrapped, and they look like flattened out now and laters.
Very cool. Now it's coming back for some more chips. You can't have Laffy Taffy, bud. Or whatever this is. Fruit. Got some wrapper on it, but that won't kill nobody.
Yeah, definitely have some wrapper on this one.
Well, it sat in our mailbox for a couple days
Yeah.
in heat. So.
Yeah, we were out of town for a couple days, which you'll probably see those videos in about
I don't know. We don't want to make any
6 to 9 months, maybe.
Next year, no. We're hoping to get things out quicker now. So.
Yes. So.
Oh,
want
he's
another
back
chip?
for a chip. We gotta give Noah his chip first.
Don't touch.
No touching.
Don't touch. Chip.
Chip.
Mmm.
Okay, you want to try it on camera? You try it for everybody.
Smell it. Take a bite.
Mmm. All right, you ready?
All right. Yep. It's like mambo, but really chewy.
Mm-hmm. It's not a strong flavor though.
Mm-mm.
Very chewy.
I feel like I'm eating gum.
Mm-hmm.
Is it gum?
Mm.
Doesn't say gum.
So it's candy. I like it though.
It is really, really chewy.
I probably like it the best out of everything we got. Well, I really like the chips too. But what was your favorite thing?
I think my favorite is probably either the chips or maybe the sponge cake, to be honest. Because the sponge cake, although it was dry, it was really moist. It was good. This is just too chewy for me and not enough fruit flavor. Like, I love Starburst and I love Skittles and stuff, but this is like a very dull flavor of strawberry. Kind of like a Laffy Taffy, but
yeah,
really too chewy.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We're running out of time on our camera here, so.
Yep. So, definitely thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We will be posting some more videos from our most recent trips.
See you guys.
Bye.